Hello people of Earth, welcome back to my channel. It's Rebecca here, and our settings are different once again. We are here in my closet. We're gonna film a little casual video. I'm gonna show you all the things. Let's take an Odin break. Come here. He needs attention so badly. Oh my gosh, he's sitting on my lap. Yep. Can we blame him? He's huge now. He's not a puppy anymore. He's a big boy. Okay, let's get him out of here. So now that he's gone, we're gonna talk about things I have received in PR in the last month or so. This is not to brag, this is just to show that you can do anything you set your mind to. I'm just literally a normal person. I'm a 30-year-old woman now. If I can look back and tell my 18 or 19-year-old self one thing, it would be to just record content when you want to, because I felt like I couldn't record content back then because my teeth were crooked, I had bad vision, I was always wearing glasses, I wasn't pretty enough, I was too fat. Like, there's so many things that stopped me from filming content. But imagine where I would be even farther if I would have stopped when I truly wanted to and had that true passion and that true drive. But nonetheless, I'm thankful for where I am now, and everyone's journey starts when it's supposed to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being a supporter of mine. These are some really cool things, and if you are questioning your content journey, get started now, because there's no better time than the present. First thing I'm going to start with, I don't have the package anymore because I did get this one first. It's the Lancome Renegeri CRX Triple Serum. It's a retinol serum with vitamin C and pure retinol and X peptides. When I tell you this has changed my skin, I didn't want to talk about it until I used it a few times. This is amazing. I love this so much. I'm never gonna stop using this. Now that I got it sent to me, I'm gonna be reoccurring buying this. It's expensive, it's a pretty penny, but it's worth it, especially if you have aging skin, which now that I'm 30 is the perfect time to start using it. It also came with a lavender pillowcase with the little Lancome sign, but I did give it to my coworker at Ulta because she is our Lancome representative and she loved it, so I knew she would get more use out of it than I would. The next thing we have from Lancome, it's their mascara. Look how cute this is. It is a box and it says dare to postpone your next lash extension appointment, and then it says Lancome on the side, and it has this little pool, and then it says up to 75% viable length, and then one more, and it's Flutter Extension Mascara. And this is the tube that it comes in, and it just twists open. It has the little Lancome sign here and then a little frosty shiny side here, and this is what the wand looks like. It's nice and thin. It actually does remind me a lot of the MAC Giga Black wand, which is my favorite mascara ever, so I'm so excited to try this. Thank you so much, Lancome. The packaging is insane. Their packaging always has so much attention to detail. Oh, and by the way, the face of this mascara is our girl Olivia Rodrigo. I love her. You guys, this next one had me so geeked out. So you open it and then there's a soft cover, and you pull this little box out, and it's a box that says Lancome, and it has a little sign on it, and it's a little lip box, and on the inside it says we're your passport to perfect skin. Are you kidding me? And on the inside, you open it, the first thing is a little passport that says Lancome, and it talks about the Flawless Summer Foundation and just like them being that girl, and it just looks like a little passport, which is so cute to me. And then on the inside it has a mini Genifique Ultimate Lancome Serum. This is so nice. You guys, if you haven't tried Lancome skincare, it is incredible, especially if you have aging skin or if you just want preventative. It's amazing. And then they also sent the Tien Idol Ultra Wear Foundation, which I have always used this. I started using it back when I worked at Sephora. I want to say I worked at Sephora in like 2016 or 2017 when I first started getting into the beauty world. I worked at Sephora as a seasonal member. It was so much fun. I loved it. I started to really learn all these high-end brands, because before then I was using a lot of drugstore, like very indie brands. But I'm gonna keep this box. This PR package is absolutely my favorite of all. I am so grateful. Thank you, Lancome. The next Lancome box is also really insane. Look at the inside. That is so cute. And then you open it up and it had like tissue paper, but inside is this is a tennis racket holder. So if you play tennis or pickleball, look at what they sent. This little case, and it says Lancome on it. I've been wanting to start pickleball, so now I'm gonna start it because of them. And then in this little pocket here, You just pull it out and it is a little Lancome card. And then it says everything you need to know about their UV Expert Supra Sunscreen SPF 50. This sunscreen is SPF 50 and I couldn't have gotten this in a better time because right now it is summer in Yuma, Arizona and we are getting up to like 110, 112 degrees, you guys. It's crazy out here. So this was another amazing package from Lancome. I am so incredibly grateful, but I just felt something and I'm realizing there's something on the inside because they sent a little mirror, you guys. Oh my gosh. The mirror is a tennis racket. I am screaming. Look at that. And it has a little rose on the inside. I just have to remove the little film, but it is a literal tennis racket. I'm so shook. So thank you so much, Lancome. I am so grateful. I cannot wait to try these products out. So the next package we got is from Clarins. It's for the Clarins Lip Perfectors. They're the OG Peptide Plumping Lip Perfector. They sent them in 3 different colors. The shades are 6, 7, and 1. I'm only gonna swatch one in case I do decide to do a giveaway with these. It comes like this and then you just squeeze. It's so nice. Ooh, I feel like this was a perfect color. Okay, let's see if it plumps. I can start to feel it. The applicator is really comfortable. It's like almost like a sponge. Yeah, and it's not overly sticky. So that's what that one looks like. That's number 1. Yeah, I really like it. It's not overly sticky. I don't like anything too sticky. So I feel like this is something I'm really gonna rotate into my day-to-day lip combos. Next thing from Clarins is their Cryo Flash Cream. It says keep your skin cool and your lips bold. So they did send over the cream. I haven't tried it yet, but it's a cream mask, which I love so much. I love skincare. It's a 10-minute ice cold face mask that will provide instant lifting effect. The second thing is a water lip stain, which I love Clarins lip oils. If you haven't tried their lip oil, Clarins lip oils are the best. So I'm super excited to try their stains. I love Clarins overall. Clarins double serum. Their double serum is amazing as well. So if you're looking for a good serum, I love the Clarins double serum, or this one has retinol, the Clarins one doesn't. You're not sure if you should use retinol or not, ask your doctor. The next thing I got sent to me is a shapewear item. It is a jumpsuit, which I have wore one time and it is so cute. It is a deep v-neck and then it has these like wide leg trouser pants, shape L. It's SHAPELLX. It's shapewear, so on the inside it's like tight and everything. This jumpsuit is amazing. I 10 out of 10 recommend and I am so grateful for it. I love this brand. I wear their other shapewear, so I'm really excited to start wearing more shapewear clothing pieces. The next thing I got, which I was so excited to receive, was the Salud Times Jarritos collab. They came out with the flavor guava, mandarin, lime, and fruit punch. So basically these are energy and focus. It's the fruit punch and the lime. I've already been drinking Salud for 2 or 3 years now. We all know Jarritos, and everyone, we are all gonna know Salud as well. So these are the energy and focus. It has 200 milligrams of caffeine, 350 milligrams of theanine, B6 and B12 vitamins, plus other vitamins. And the big thing is it's only 5 calories and it's 1 gram of sugar. That's it, 1 gram of sugar. So it's really macro friendly. The next ones I already have popped open is guava and mandarin. They're both amazing, but I'm gonna choose guava every time. Every time, you guys. It has 400 milligrams of electrolytes, 250 grams of Wellmune, and 100 grams of elderberry. So I prefer the hydration over the energy and focus just because I am more likely to take pre-workout during the day or drink coffee. So this is something I'm gonna have to work into my caffeine routine, which I already have my routine, so I'm working it in more frequently. I have stopped drinking so much pre-workout and I have been drinking more energy and focus. Okay, you guys, the last thing I have is from Velvet Caviar. Do you see this packaging? Are we serious? I just want to say, I've been working with Velvet Caviar for a few years now and I am so incredibly grateful for them because they have always kept my phone so cute. This is my current phone case and I just find it to be like the cutest. Like everything is so girly pop, but it protects your phone as well. So let's open these together. We got sent little candies. Unfortunately, it's like 100 and something degrees, so all the candies got stuck together. Next thing we got sent is this little card, and the card says, "Girls just want to have sun. We're beyond excited to give you the first look of our new waterproof phone case, phone pouches, and summer love collection, where sun-kissed summer cases bring the beach to you. We hope you love the collection and these summer essentials as much as we do. CEO of Velvet Caviar." We got these cute little stickers. Oh, we have a match 3 to win a prize. Let's see. It's a scratch. So we got cherries, and cherries. Okay, so we got a winner. That's crazy. So it is 30% off your order over $60 if you use the code. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Thank you so much, Velvet Caviar. I can't wait to place an order. First thing we got for the phone cases is this little chain. The chains hang off the side of the phone so you can keep it on your wrist while you're at a festival or walking around an amusement park or just walking, you know. The next thing we got is a MagSafe Mighty Grip, which I use the heck out of these Mighty Grips. Are we serious? Look at this color. I'm obsessed. It's like a periwinkle blue. Oh my gosh. And they sent the Vacation After Sun Gel. I'm obsessed. This is amazing, you guys, because I live in Yuma and it gets so hot. Guys, I didn't show you the little chain though. So this is what the chain looks like. It is so very, very cute. The next thing we got is a magnet grip ring, which I do use the heck out of these. That way you have more of a grip on your phone. Oh, this one's pretty. That one's super cute. I love it. Okay, the next thing we got is a magnetic wireless pack. It's a portable charger, you guys. How cute is that? It's so sleek and light. Turn it on and it comes with a rechargeable cord. This is awesome because my phone dies all the time. The next thing we got is this phone case. How cute is this? Everything is just so girly and you could really order based on your personality, and I think that's the best. How cute is this one? Very summer. I love it. Love, 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 love. And the last thing is probably the coolest thing. Comes with these 2 little hooks so you can put them around your neck. And it's a floating device that protects your screen. Is this not so unreal? And then it has this seal at the top that you open up, and you can go in the water with it. I just find that to be the most fun. Underwater pictures, here we come. This is so cute. And it's like that material of like a blow up. That's so cute and girly pop. I really love this. Thank you so much, Velvet Caviar. I am literally so grateful. And just having a brand that lets everyone express themselves so much and no one is left out, I think that's really awesome. Anyways, you guys, I would not receive any of these packages if they weren't for you. So thank you guys so much for all your unconditional love and support. I'm truly so grateful. Continue to show you guys that I'm worth it to be investing your time into or entertaining you. So if there's anything you guys want to see, comment down below. I want to just keep posting random stuff. I really would like to get back on my YouTube stuff. I'm gonna get back into fitness too, you guys. I have lost weight and gotten snatched recently, so I've been working really hard on my physique and cutting again. So we're gonna get back into fitness content as well. If that's what you're here for, that's okay. We're gonna be fitness, beauty, travel, all of the above, fashion, and just see where this channel takes us. I would really love to just focus more time on this channel. I love you guys.